What's up, everybody? This is Tom Weiss from Binghamton, New York. Gonna try the Long Ranger Breaker Challenge today. I was gonna try it up at my house, except for the winds are 7 to 14 miles an hour, gusting up to 25 today, so I opted to come down to the range. I'm at the 300-yard range. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna probably try to do somewhere between 120 and 150. We'll see what happens with the wind. So I'm shooting a TX200 22 caliber today, just stock out of the box. I pretty much don't mess with any of my guns. I've played with some hammer springs in the past. That's about as far as I go, but usually just focus on shooting them and getting proficient. So it's 22 caliber, walnut stock. It's got a Vantage Hawk. It's a 4 to 16 by 50 scope on it. I would caution anybody out there that's got a TX200 that either wears jewelry or is married, wears rings on the hand that you're going to be planning on cocking it with. This is the second one that I've had. Totally my fault, didn't really think about it initially. But when you go to cock the gun, if you're wearing rings on the hand that you cock the gun with, it's just something you wouldn't typically think about. Over time, you're grabbing onto that cocking lever and your hand's going to slip a certain amount as you're cocking the gun. So what ended up happening to mine is, the first time I shot it, of course I ran a couple hundred rounds through it, maybe not all at once, but started looking at the gun one day and I realized the bluing was wearing off of the cocking lever, and there were all these fine scratches. And what the heck's going on? Well, I was cocking it with my left hand, and of course I put two and two together and realized that it was causing scratches on the cocking lever. So I would caution people, if you are planning on buying one or if you do have one, what I do is I just put my wedding ring on my other hand, and then I'm good to go. So we're sitting here. It's 30 degrees without the wind right now, and the wind is gusting pretty good. I don't want to start making those excuses already, but right now it's fairly calm, but it has been gusting, like I said, 7 to 14 miles an hour, gusts up to 20 plus. So I'm gonna get out of the car here, get sighted in, and get set up. Okay, it is way colder and way windier than I thought. Been out here doing some zeroing, and we're only going to do this at 106 yards today. It's just flat out way too windy. Maybe sometime in the summer when it's not the middle of November here, we'll stretch it out to 150 or so. All right, so I'm going to go set up the camera. Okay, after I zeroed, here's my practice shot right there. Okay, here we go. Let me get the scope camera set up and rolling. Recording through the scope cam with Boss. Did it on my first zero shot. after I resighted the gun in for 100 yards. Oh, it's not warm up here. Shot number 1. Ooh. Shot number 2. Boom. 2 shots and done. Go walk down there, shut off the other camera. Hopefully the GoPro didn't run out of battery. "106 yards, not the longest, but it is that wind chill today. It's way too cold. This is the range that I did the 309-yard shot with the boss at over the summer. It was a little bit warmer then. Hopefully this mic will pick up some of the wind here. It's probably like the 60th time I've said it in this video, but 7 to 14 miles an hour, gusting up to 25 miles an hour. There we go. Hey, look at that, the GoPro's still running. Should have caught it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck in the contest. Anybody else that's going to enter.